This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Going to dig into the details. I want to talk about Bitcoin and the DXY today. We'll be on the monthly DXY, the dollar index. We'll go through the discussion on Bitcoin. Hit the like button if you appreciate these updates. Now, I want to go through VIP returns. Look at Liam yesterday, VIP. We caught the move in the back. To refresh your memory, the leading expanding diagonal. When you see a rising level of resistance and a rising level of support in an expansion mode, in a divergent mode, these are bearish. Pay attention. This is London with Bitcoin Spike, former hedge fund owner, private non-SEC, not financial advice. Over 130 VIP, our first month in existence, more than any other group. We're number one joined today. 204% Liam. We're going to go through DXY. I want you to know DXY is typically negatively correlated. There's an inverse correlation with the price of Bitcoin, with your crypto. So we're looking at the dollar index today to say, well, that the DXY can continue, listen up, continue to beat a rising wedge, typically a bearish feature on the monthly chart. If it can continue, listen up, guys, continue to blow through our fire and ice indicator that's currently indicating a short on the DXY. Pay attention. Yes, we have the ultimate ice cold short level on top. You will see that it has been reached before. Pay attention. It's been reached before the blue line. Take a look. Boom. Look at what kind of a short that was. Bam. Multiple shorts here at the golden short line. Boom. Make sure you're watching this on a big screen TV, by the way. Look at the hits along the golden short line. Very, very impressive level as you look at a back testing procedure. When we say back testing, look at how your indicators, and this is the Bitcoin Spike Fire and Ice indicator. We'll be releasing a demo this week to VIP. Extremely successful in terms of the application of it to the markets. From oil to SPY to, guys, there's a lot of application here. So yes, you're at a indicated short. Now, real traders would prefer DXY to power up and through. We would prefer to see it hit a higher level from which we could short it from, but shorts are starting to engage right now at this level, which means the question is being considered right now in terms of Bitcoin and your cryptos. Could we see a bit of a bounce? We're going to discuss this in detail in the back. Understand the negative correlation. For now, DXY or dollar index up, Bitcoin down. Leon, let's go back to the returns. VIP 204%, 141%, 86%. Just incredible returns. Limited price action, but VIP are trading. Look at this, 134% Venus and another 113% Venus. So proud every day you trade. Now, Gulshan is a brand new VIP with a 229% return. Congratulations, Gulshan. Extremely well done. Anthony, Powerhouse Anthony, VIP for over a year. We love it when you trade, my man. You got two near triple digits, 87%, 96%. Way to powerhouse into it, my man. Way to go. And Venus with another short there, 110%. If you don't know how to trade like this, if you see these returns, you're like, okay, well, that's great. Gulshan with another 180%. Glad I just caught that. Way to go, Gulshan. And Gulshan, brand new VIP, just so that you know. Guys, if you don't know how to trade leverage, I'm going to tell you, there's a lot behind the scenes that go on. Look at the head and shoulders we were discussing. Let's go over, after we've had a discussion on the DXY, let's go back over to BTC, right? In terms of the left-hand side, you'll see the head and shoulders, right? These aren't just like ideas. Maybe this will work. Maybe that will work. Let's trade and put money into this. Maybe it will go up. No, we're highly calculated. You see on the left-hand side, we get into the probabilities. We get into the statistics behind the trades based on all of the evidence that has been assembled, all of the data frameworks, right? We extrapolate from preceding, okay? We use, let's say this, we use the data or we use the materials. New York Institute of Finance is primary on the list, but we use also Bulkowski. We use some other resources. Who has performed the greatest number of data sets, right? We want to look at all of the patterns. What do they mean to the market? Now, in terms of this, we actually did catch the head and shoulders pattern here that you'll see on the lower time frames, but we actually caught the pickup. It was a nice pickup on the 5-minute. As we look back at the 5-minute, we were in the back with the indicator. You'll see an ultimate near performance to that preceding time frame. As you dig into the lower time frames, please pay attention. You will have more volatility. All right, you'll see more price action. Very important that you understand that. When you go into the lower time frames, you'll see more price action. All right, you'll see nearly straight lines on the daily, right? When you go to the 5 minutes, you're going to see all types of chaos at the lower time frames. So I tell people the lower time frames are only for those individuals who have a near pro level or are developing a near pro level of execution on the trades. So looking at the head and shoulders pattern, looking at the information brought to the VIP on the back, we saw a 68% chance of a throwback before reaching. This is what was important in the back today, just to update you on VIP. Looking at the amplitude move here, the amplitude move would have been a target, boom, below our fire sale line. You got it, guys. In terms of the indicator, our fire sale, that's near fire sale in the 5 minutes. So I wouldn't say an all-in move, but a 68% chance per the authorities. Technical analysis, 68% chance of a throwback. Boom, right? A throwback is when we're breaking down from something or up and out of something, and we get price throwing back or pulling back to a preceding level of support. Understand? The pullback, the throwback, boom. So we caught this move in the back, and it was nice. We got another contact in and around this, I'd say top line gray function here, very close to that golden short line. Boom, before capitulation down back to the green buy line, which has trajected you back to the upside. This is a nice indicator. We'll have a demo version for the VIP, only for the VIP. Guys, only for the VIP. It's going to be I'm going to tell you, the gangbuster quintessential big-time perk in 2022 you're going to find anywhere. I don't mean, guys, on a Reddit, on a Discord, with my buddy who knows something. No, guys, anywhere. Walk into any office. I'll put this indicator, this program, up against anybody in any office. I'd sit next to or across from JP Morgan, BlackRock, and say, good, what do you got? I guarantee you. Watch. VIP, you'll test this, you'll see. Watch. This is London with Bitcoin Spike, former hedge fund owner. Yes, indeed. Private, non-SEC, not financial advice. I want to invite you to join today. Invite you guys to join our VIP #1 trade group. Over 130. Listen up. Over 130 VIP the first month of our channel. More than any other channel, guys, in existence. You get it? Right? Yeah, the #1 shop to trade at, to develop at. We focus on New York Institute of Finance. Twitter, right here, this link will allow you to join our group or hit the join button on YouTube. Hit the join button on YouTube. Easy stuff, guys. Now, in terms of the first pinned tweet, please listen. Instructions. Go ahead and put in I am VIP once you join. You want to be a part of the top trade group. You want access to the indicator. You want to be on, guys, the #1 trade team. Guys trade all kinds of stuff, by the way. Looking at some price action on BTC. Nice action. In terms of hitting into I am VIP first pinned tweet, once you send that response to the first pinned tweet, that'll put you in touch with me individually. Well, let me know that you're joining the group. We've had brand new members such as Golden Mike. Look, Golden Mike. What's up, Golden Mike? He's trading, guys. In terms of new members, look at Gulshan. Hey, yeah, Gulshan, what's up, my man? Brother, nice to see you. 2 overseas cats here to trade. And they got some skills. Look at Jubal. I want to talk about Jubal from Alaska. My man, deeply involved in technology. Heavily involved in technology. Smart guy, good trader. Let's look at Venus real quickly. Venus, how are you, sweetheart? Nice to see you. Say hello to the hubby. Hope everything is going well. And, guys, we'll put you in the back once you join VIP. And I'll tell you, you'll get the charts, you'll get the Bloomberg updates. We all recommend that you subscribe. All these books are bought and paid for, guys, by VIP. And in terms of that, if you don't have the materials, you want to watch a video to get an insight to the materials, guys, you're already way behind. If you're 5 minutes behind, you're behind. You guys get that. If you're 5 minutes behind, you're behind. If you're 5 seconds behind, you're behind. You guys know this, right? We do not have time to let the market outcompete us even with 5 seconds. Even if you trade, you know, even with 5 seconds. You want to take 5 seconds off my desk? No, sir. No, sir. Not going to happen. Look at the 4 hourly. I want to tell you guys, look at the 4 hourly. The strongest scenario for BTC was what I brought up to you, this notion here. So we talk about the notion, the idea, that the DXY could be at a threshold limitation. It would make sense technically to have some exposure to Bitcoin. I just say it. I've just went ahead and said it would make sense to have some exposure to Bitcoin if you're not a day trader. If you're not going to be trading these specific, let's say either the green buy line or the fire sale line. All right, the fire sale line right now on the 4 hourly, I'm looking at $17,800. This will adjust, guys, by the 4 hour. It'll adjust. The green buy line is at 18,900. If you trade kind of the gray area entry on the 4 hourly, conservative time frames 19,400. My short line on the 4 hourly right now, again, will adjust every 4 hours, is 20,727. And I've got a ice cold short. Boom. I say that because you got to be ice cold to hold these shorts. You saw that DXY. Yeah, you saw the DXY. I'm telling you guys, we've run this through. You have no idea what we've run this through in terms of the indicator. You want to talk about AMC? You want to talk about Bed Bath & Beyond? You want to talk about any stock or index you're trading? Look at this preceding. That's an ice cold short. Ice cold short. You better be to hold that kind of a DXY short. It's powering up and through your short line. You got to look at it and say, bring it. Bring it. No, you're going down. You are going down. Ice cold shorts, guys. So our level on the 4 hourly, ice cold short for BTC is 21,900 right now. And it's a beautiful pattern dynamic. Beautiful pattern dynamic in terms of golden short line. Look at that. Again, look at this on a big screen. Look at this, guys. We're trading, okay? Look at the golden short line. Look at the buy line. Beautiful. Beautiful interaction. And we have the internals, and especially if I go into the candle wicks, you guys going to beat these lines? Nope. You are not. You're not going to beat these lines. Guys, in terms of that pickup line, right, from the green to the golden short, boom. Powerhouse, guys. Bam. 4 hourly. Look at that. Golden short, boom, to the downside. Nice, nice, nice. We'll work through the release. We'll do an official launch once we're past demo into, and we've decided to do this just for the VIP so that you understand, is we'll be doing a demo release to VIP. Thereafter, we will be doing the beta launch. We'll do a beta kind of mini pre-launch, okay? Then we're going to do the alpha Big Daddy launch, okay? We're going to do the alpha, the real deal program launch. We're working with the developers right now just to tie up some loose ends. Getting a phone call right now on a trade alert. Getting a phone call right now on a trade alert. Let's see what that is. That's my system telling me. What is my system telling me now? It's actually a phone call. If you don't know how to set that up on the markets, let's see. Okay, we got a potential move to the downside on the 1 hourly. Boom. As it happens, you see integrated systems. You see developed technological protocol for a highly technological market. If you're out of that level of a loop on whatever you're trading, you're out of a loop. Again, nothing's going to cause, you're not going to take 5 seconds off my desk, right? You're just not, guys. I'm going to be plugged into the hourly. Boom. You can look at the need for additional levels of exposure for shorts up and above if you're not satisfied with this kind of gray zone. I call it a gray area for a reason, right? It's a little bit aggressive. That inside channel, not everyone can trade it. You'd probably combine it with a few other rules. You probably would. Some people will just trade it dry, okay? With the golden short, can we get back up to a golden short? And if we do, are you prepared to trade? I call this intermediate on the hourly into the 4 hourly. The 4 hourly is a bit more novice, less trades. 4 hourly is a bit less novice. You're going to get fewer trades. You're not going to have the opportunity to be as aggressive, and that intro level is the daily. Extremely conservative. You won't be charged with I'd say the crime of overtrading. You won't be charged with the crime of overtrading if, you guys know the tongue-in-cheek on that, if you're on the daily. Nice and smooth, waiting for a buy line, currently down at 15,600. And I bring this to you because, honestly, this is the biggest, I'd say, benefit that I could imagine having on the markets in 2022. On the markets, on the participants, etc., is to provide you a mechanism where you understand where you're at. Should you be on the daily? Should you not be as aggressively involved? Some rules, some structure, and some parameters as exciting as fire and ice. You're going to love it, guys. So this is London with Bitcoin Spike, former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, and not financial advice. Let's go. Let's dig in. Now, you say, well, where is it going to go? I know where my longs are. Boom, boom. On the daily. I know where my shorts are. Bam, bam. Bring it. This is where we get to say we trade. Bring it. For anyone who's getting exposed to the market or to our group, welcome. We are excited about 2022. We are building. This is London with Bitcoin Spike.